Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at the Grand Design Momentum G Series Model 23G. So the Grand Design Momentum is the top of the line when it comes to travel trailer toy haulers. Right up front here, power tongue jack, nice molded fiberglass front cap, huge storage right here. Really nice, and I like how they have the air ducts there as well. Coming on down the side here, we have a very nice power awning with LED lights. And Grand Design always uses the Goodyear Endurance tires, which in my opinion are the best of the best tires. What I love about toy haulers is back here, this is a ramp. This is how you get your toy in and out of the RV. But what's also so great about this ramp, it doubles as a patio, which just gives you more living space when you get to where you're going, which I love. Let's check out the inside. Inside, a toy hauler is the Swiss Army knife of RVs. There's so many different purposes. Right here, you got 2 beds that can fit adults. They drop down. Also, this lower bed flips up to become sofas. Also, there's holes here so it can become a dinette as well. You have D-rings all throughout this travel trailer. You got plenty of big windows and really nice kitchen space over here, which is very nice. And right over here, you do have your TV entertainment center. This has one of the best bathrooms that I've seen in a travel trailer toy hauler. And right over here, we do have a king-size bed. It is on a slide out, but again, this is what you would consider a relatively short travel trailer toy hauler. So for them to cram in all these features is absolutely fantastic. Right there, you have the drawers and everything, and just everything that you need to make this unit cool and awesome. But that's it, guys. That's a quick little tour of the Grand Design Momentum toy hauler travel trailer. If you guys are interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, perfect. Click that link down below, and a member of my team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.